Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Omni. Today we will introduce you the basic operation of software. Open the software. It will pop out all axes back to home. Click it. We can see the machine head will move to the mechanical origin. Now we can see all three axes back to zero. Here, H means high speed, L means low speed. Set the workpiece origin by clicking X plus and Y plus. You will find out direction buttons are fading color. Now we turn the hide wheel button to on state. So you can see the direction buttons are fading color and we control the machine move by the hide wheel now. Let's click the button of vibration knife up and down. This button is for vibration knife calibration. Move up the cover and ensure the base tip touches the material surface. Here, we're gonna set this coordinate as the workpiece origin. Now, click XYZ0 to complete the workpiece origin setting. Then click Origin F8. The vibration knife will lift automatically and move back to machine origin. It's time to import program file now. Click to open DXF AI PLT file. Let's choose the test file. We cut non-pole shape. Click it. Then click Layer F1, Set up parameters. Please click Advanced to set up material thickness, final depth, and pass depth. We can see it is 1189 for thickness, so the value should be a little bigger than this value for cutting through. Set the thickness value be 12.5. Pass depth means the cutting depth per pass, so we set to 3. It will cut 4 times to complete the whole cutting. When all parameters ready, click OK. Now we click Create File F3 and you can see gray progress bar sign. Click Program. You can find G-code here. Everything seems good. Now click Start F9. Now machine receives command and start working. Comparing rotor beads, the vibration knife cutting edge is more accurate. There is less material wasted. No powder created, more friendly for human and our environment. We can see the cutting edge is very accurate. The second pass. In this software, we call it vibration knife. People also call it tangential knife. Omni offers 2 kinds of vibration knife. One is made in China, the other one is made in Germany. Tangential knife made in China is rather competitive on the price. The other one made in Germany is more accurate and could cut a smaller size. So you could choose different knives according to your demand. If you expect more accurate cutting quality and long-term working life, we suggest you the one made in Germany. And if the budget is limited, the one made in China is also a good option. Let's watch its elegant cutting. simple rule. The cutting gap is too thin, you can't move it out in this way. Congratulations! You may be curious, what is the difference between pause and stop? Let's click pause to see. We can see the spindle is lifting up and stop rotating. Click pause again. It backs to work at once. Let's click stop key to see. The spindle stops rotating and lifting up also. But here you have to click breakpoint resume to start work. Usually, breakpoint resume works for machine power off suddenly. When you turn on the machine again, the spindle can start work from the last coordinate before machine power off.
Now, back up your system. 现在操作完了。